Hey everybody, it's Tracy Lee at the Freedom Lifestyle. How's everybody doing tonight? Glad everybody's here tonight. Got a lot of great stuff to go over tonight. We're doing the 7 affiliate marketing tips to build a profitable business, part 2. I did part 1 last night. If you missed it, you can go back and watch it at my channel. But before we get started tonight, please hit the likes, comments, and hit that subscribe button so you can hear the content from previous videos that I've done. Especially for the one last night, which was part 1 of the 7 affiliate marketing tips to build a profitable business. Yeah, please hit the likes and subscribe button down at the bottom. Hit the notification bell so that when I go online the next time you get content just like this. So tonight, the 7 major affiliate marketing tips to build a profitable business. Let's see, we left off at number 4. Number 4, use software tools. Now, I use software tools all the time. We're taught from our coaches when we're in class, and they go over software tools that we use to build our business. From your automation, all the way down to creating your content, stuff like that. So like your Aweber, your automation or GetResponse, whatever automation you're using for your autoresponder. That's a software tool. Software tools come in, there's a billion of them out there. For anything you can wish for online for your business, there's a software tool for it. I haven't not found one yet. Keywords everywhere for keyword research. That's a good one. I've got it up at top on my on my scroll up here on top in my feed. I've got keywords up there. Whenever I need, to look up something, I just hit that button and it brings up, my keywords app or keyword software, and it runs that way. So anyways, like keyword software, you got, for creation, you got Pixteller, Canva, all the good ones. Yeah, use software tools. They come in handy. Click Magic to track all your results and stuff like that for when you're actually broadcasting and got leads coming in, and you can find out exactly where each and every one of those leads came from. It works fantastic, and it's good to see your results, because you want to see where your stuff's coming from. And I don't like to be left with the blinders on and I can't see where anything's coming from. I like to know where it's all coming from. That way, I can adjust it, tweak it, test, track, and tweak. That's what our coaches say. So use software tools for everything, especially for creating content. I'm on the busy, I'm on the fly all the time for my funding proposal. I don't mess around when it comes to thumbnails, stuff like that for my videos, creating posts, Facebook posts, stuff like that. I'm using software tools to create those posts. So yes, always use your software tools. Number 5, let's see, create good content, or create great content is what I should say. Always create great content. This is a good tip too. You always want to create good content, give valuable content, ethical. We used that word last night, ethical content. You want to give value to your followers and your audience. Use great, create great content, create great, posts and stuff like that. Put a little love into it. It's kind of like cooking, when you're cooking that, wonderful, dinner, I'm not going to say what kind of dinner, but they say you want to put love into it, to make it taste good. So, you create good content, like your posts, your videos, stuff like that. You got to use your head when you're creating content. So you want to use some good software tools that create good content with your software tools to make your life a lot easier. And it makes my life a whole lot easier, because I can come home from work and sit down. I'm tired. I don't want to do anything, but I go, wow, I got these tools. I might as well use them. That's what they're there for. Some of them you do have to pay for, but that's it makes life a lot easier. I'd rather pay a little bit for a software tool that I need to build my business than trying to create it from scratch without having any kind of help on the side from any kind of automation or anything like that. So Anyhow, next one is attend events. This one's a major for me. I love this last one. I love attending events. Now I know the COVID's going on right now, and it's just things haven't lifted yet, and everybody has to stay in, stay home, be safe. So there's no live events. Live events to me are like a lifeblood for my business, because I love associating with people, getting to know people, talking to people, talking to 6, 7 figure earners, 8 figure earners, asking them how they're working, and how what are their angles, what you can learn from them from a live event is just priceless. I've been to several of them, and it's where I met my coaches, and so it's been priceless since then. And I follow my coaches, wholeheartedly. I don't mess around, don't pull any strings. I straightforward. I love my coaches and my mentors, and I will follow them to the grave, because they, have taught me way more than I knew, 4 or 5 years ago. They've taught me so much, and I've learned so much, and I'm still learning. Everybody's a student, and you're always learning, and you never quit learning, and don't ever stop learning. So you make sure you attend events, because of live events, even the virtual events coming up, those are going to be fantastic. I mean, even the virtual events can be fantastic too. But the live ones are by far, I believe, this is my opinion, that the live events are the best, that you can get. Being able to, get right there with somebody, and, take pictures, and sit down and talk, and, ask them, how do you do this? And you learn, and you don't forget that. And when you leave that live event, you're a different person. And it's happened several times to me. I leave there, and I'm a little bit different of a person the next time. And that's what I strive for, is to be a little bit different and take a couple more steps up the ladder. So anyhow, that's my life for tonight. I hope everybody got some value out of that tonight. If you have any questions about what I talked about tonight, you can get the information in the links below. It'll take you to a page where you can, judge for yourself, and get value out of what I was talking about tonight. The live events, I really get pumped for live events. I can't wait to the next one. After this is all over, I can't wait to get to the next live event. I don't care where it is in the world, I'm going anyway. So anyhow, my name's Tracy Lee, and you guys have a nice night. Hope everybody's safe. Stay safe. And we shall see you on the next live. Tomorrow, let's see, what is tomorrow? Tomorrow is Wednesday. Oh, it's hump day tomorrow. So yeah, we'll see you on the next live tomorrow night. My name is Tracy Lee, and make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, notification bell, and we are out.